Now to our Thursdays at 6 WPBF 25 News investigation. It's been nearly 9 years since a grandmother was stabbed to death in her Fort Pierce garage. The man charged with the murder has been sitting in jail now for more than 7 years. There is still no trial date.
Tonight, investigative reporter Terry Parker shows us why delays keep piling up, what it's costing taxpayers, and why the family says justice is slipping away. Terry?
Right. Sheila Hamner's family has waited almost a decade. Her accused killer, Carlos Arellano Ramirez, faces the death penalty. And because of that, his attorneys are trying to prevent it. They have racked up years of investigations, hundreds of thousands of taxpayer dollars on testing, experts, and travel. And the court has granted every delay. 7 years waiting, no trial date in set, and a family that says they're not giving up.
This is justice for our mother. She was a wonderful woman, dedicated her life to the St. Lucie County School Board. She deserves this justice.
74-year-old Sheila Hamner was stabbed to death in her Fort Pierce garage in December 2016. Her son, Kenneth Hamner, was wrongly arrested for her murder and later cleared, even receiving a nearly $2 million settlement from the St. Lucie County Sheriff's Office. Then, in 2018, police say Carlos Arellano Ramirez, who was in jail on other charges, confessed to the murder in a handwritten note to a cellmate. But 7.5 years later, Ramirez still hasn't faced a jury. Instead, his court-appointed defense team has run up nearly $800,000 and counting in taxpayer costs, approved by the courts.
The judges need to get this to moving. Enough is enough.
The defense has hired 24 experts so far on childhood trauma, intellectual disability, fetal alcohol syndrome, and even lead poisoning in Mexico. Just one billed 20 hours at $735 an hour for a total of $14,700.
Your motion essentially is asking to reimburse the expert.
Last month, another defense motion to pay an expert who went over her approved hours. The judge granted it. Just as the court has granted travel expenses for attorneys and experts to fly to Virginia, Texas, California, Colombia, and Mexico to gather information about Ramirez's childhood and mental capacity.
They flew to interview his second grade teacher.
In Mexico.
With all the spending, even the Justice Administration Commission, which pays the bills, is questioning whether there's any end in sight, writing, JAC has serious concerns that these requests for additional experts and testing will continue ad infinitum.
This is a failure of the criminal justice system. The courts have got to hold the attorneys accountable. The courts have got to move these cases.
St. Lucie County State Attorney Tom Bakkedahl says in death penalty cases, one defense tactic is to delay. Witnesses die or forget, evidence can get lost, and the entire prosecution could weaken.
So given that, is there a temptation then just not to ask for the death penalty?
I'm not going to give in just because they drag it out, just because they make it more torturous and painful for the victims, although I empathize with them. We're going to continue to enforce the law and seek death in those rare cases where it's appropriate.
Ramirez's lawyers declined to speak on camera, but in a telephone interview, attorney Jeffrey Garland told me this: "You asked me why this is costing so much? A man's life is at stake. That's why." Garland says first COVID slowed them down. He says they would be incompetent if they didn't explore every avenue of Ramirez's intellectual disability because it may save him from the death penalty if he's convicted. But the family of Sheila Hamner says each new delay feels like another wound.
But the pain that we know she went through those few seconds, we'll remember.
And Carlos Ramirez remains charged with a capital trial, and he could face the death penalty if he is convicted. Meantime, his attorneys tell me, though, that they're waiting on a ruling from the Supreme Court that determines whether a death penalty sentence has to be unanimous. They say until they get that ruling from the Supreme Court, a trial date can't be set. Terry Parker, WPBF 25 News.